Welcome back, graduates. So many of you have probably been following this whole Silicon Valley Bank kind of problem going on. People can't withdraw their money. It's a big mess. It's scary. It's very scary when you run a business and your money's just held up. Trust me, I'm talking from experience here. Now, to make matters worse, it seems like all of the companies like Etsy that rely on this bank are now users are not able to withdraw their money. So now what EcomGraduates, what we're doing is we're going to be offering Etsy store owners 25% off on our theme. We're also going to be offering services to basically bring your products over to Shopify, get you set up with a brand new store, and that way you can remain in business. Now, this isn't going to solve all your problems. With Etsy, they market for you. When you own a store, you're going to have to handle the marketing yourself, but at least now you'll have a place where people can actually go and purchase your products. Let us, the professionals, handle this for you, so that way you don't have to stress. You're already stressing, your money's locked up. Let us handle the rest. So we're going to be offering you 25% off on our theme, and then we'll also be offering you discounts on our services as well. So we'll go in and design your store. Now, we do have our own theme. It's called Ecomify theme. It's built with a lot of features that you would need. We've got quiz options. Imagine your candles being here. Imagine you having a scent list right here, where you can actually go in and pick your scents, and you'll get to see the best candle possible. Or maybe you sell custom embroidered products. You're going to be able to utilize this quiz for that. We also offer bundles in here, where you can actually bundle your products and give your customers a discount, incentivizing them to spend more with you. This is exactly what we do at EcomGraduates. So let us take the reins, build your store out for you, so you can actually keep operating your business and not be tied down. It is unfortunate. I feel bad for everybody that's dealing with this whole bank issue, but we're here to help. If you need to work with us, feel free to go to ecomgraduates.com. Also, guys, there is a link in the description below that will be allowing you to pay only $1 per month for 3 months. So not only do you get a free trial with Shopify, you'll only have to pay $1 for their membership for 3 months with Shopify. So this will give you more time to kind of get accustomed to Shopify, and I promise you it'll be a good fit for you. A lot of our clientele are customers from Etsy that migrate over to Shopify, and their experience is much better. And also, I want to kind of shed some light on how awesome Shopify is. They sent out an email today informing people that, listen, you're not going to be impacted by this bank problem with the SVB bank. We'll help you out. And if at somewhere in this video, I'll try to show you what that looks like. Maybe I can actually find it. So right here, guys, you can actually see Toby, the founder and owner of Shopify. He himself is actually even talking about this issue, explaining that, listen, you guys are going to be taken care of, no worries. Feel free. I'll even share a link here if you want. You can see that people that are impacted by SVB are going to be taken care of by Shopify. Shopify actually cares about their customers. They understand that the only reason they're in business is because you're using their platform. So I'm telling you guys, consider this a blessing. It's going to be stressful migrating over, but I promise you, we're here to help. If you guys need assistance, we're here. We understand what it's like when your business is literally locked down and you can't do anything. So take it from us. We will take care of you. I guarantee it. Thank you.